Good morning to all of you. And today we solve some problems that are given in before days. Now these questions. First question here: 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to cot theta minus cosec theta whole square. Now we take left hand side or right hand side, any side, but for the convenience we choose the side here. If you take this side from right hand side, cot theta minus cosec theta whole square, we change cot theta equal to tan theta equal to sin by cos, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta square. Next, this comes cos theta minus 1 by sin theta, because both here sin theta cos theta minus 1 square. Now we can minus 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is also sin square theta minus take comes this 1 minus cos theta here. Due to square quantity, this become plus, and this is equal to 1 minus cos square theta 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this become sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It means that sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This convert sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta, and now this is also convert 1 square a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b, so that 1 minus cos theta to the power 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta power 2 and here 1 minus cos theta 1 is cancelled. Then we get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is left hand side group. Now we see second problem. Here 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta equal to 2 sec theta. From left hand side, first of all we write the problem 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now we take LCM cos theta 1 plus sin theta, here cos theta, that 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta power 2 plus 1 plus sin theta, this cancel, cos square theta this is cos square theta. We have to come to sec theta. Now this can a plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 sin theta, and cos square theta replaced by sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta replaced by 1 minus sin square theta. Here this can written as 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos theta and 1 plus sin theta. Now sin square theta and sin square theta cancel. 1 and 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin theta divided by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now we take common here 2 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta and 1 plus sin theta. This term and this term cancel and we get 2 by cos theta. It means that 1 by cos theta. This is equal to 1 by cos theta. This is sec theta. This is right hand side root. Right hand side root. Now we take some tricks to write the problem, to write the formula like sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, and so on. Now we shall discuss about the some tricks to learn the formula sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, sin 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, sin 360 degree minus theta, 360 degree plus theta, and so on. Now here some cases. Case first, this is x dash, and this is y and y dash. Now this is origin, and we counting this. This is known as quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Counting of quadrants start like anti-clockwise. Our clock moves this, but we calculate the quadrant anti-clockwise. This is known as first quadrant. First quadrant. First quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. This is known as first quadrant. This is known as second quadrant. This is known as third quadrant. This is known as fourth quadrant. It means that here theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 0 to 90 degree, 0 degree to 90 degree. In this case, theta 90 to 180, 90 degree to 180 degree. In this case, this 180 theta 180 to 270 degree, and here theta 270 degree to 360. It means that if the value of theta or phi is 30 degree, that comes in this quadrant, 150 degree comes in this quadrant, 210 degree this comes in this quadrant, and 300 degree comes in this quadrant. Now, case first, case second. In this case, this is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This quadrant sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Here sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Here sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, these are the ratios, and 0 to 90 degree all are positive. 0 to 90 degree value of this is positive, is denoted by all. Remember, here only sign is positive and reciprocal of this is positive, and this and this negative, so that here all are positive, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. In this case, sine and reverse reciprocal of sine, cosec are positive. All this is known as all sine, and here tan is positive and reverse of this cot is positive and rest are negative. All sine, tan, and here cos are positive and cos reverse, sec are positive, rest are negative. All sine, tan, and cos. All sine, tan, cos. ऐसे हम याद रखेंगे, all means सभी धनात्मक होंगे, साइन, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. और साइन में साइन का मतलब साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक होता है, तो साइन एंड कोसेक आर पॉजिटिव, रेस्ट आर नेगेटिव. All sin, tan, third quadrant, in this quadrant, all sin, tan and cot are positive, rest are negative. Tan, cos, here cos is positive and sec are positive. So that this, with the help of this, we check the sign of this, and now this is first case, second case, and case third. Case third. Here adding or subtracting on adding or subtracting in 90-degree, adding or subtracting in 90-degree, on adding or subtracting in 90-degree to change the ratio sin change cos and cos change sin, tan change cot and cot change tan, sec change cosec and cosec change sec. And now we write the formula here. Sin 90 plus 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta. In the similar sense, we can also written as sin 90 plus theta, sin cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Here this is plus, cot 90 plus theta, sec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta. Here we write this formula sin 90 minus theta, as you case third on adding or subtracting in 90 subtract किया गया है to change the ratio sin का cos का sin, here sin change into cos theta, sin change into what? Cos theta, because 90 में से इसको क्या किया गया, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया गया है, sin change cos, and this comes 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta into here 90 minus theta. It means that it exists in the first quadrant. All they exist in the first quadrant because 90 and minus theta will return. So all are in the first quadrant, so that all are positive, and change 90 subject from 90 so that sin 90 minus theta into cos theta, cos 90 minus theta into cos का क्या होगा, sin theta होगा, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta बराबर what, cot theta. अब cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec. This sign change with the help of this and other change with the help of this. Here sin 90 plus theta, we move from this 90 up plus, so that in the forward directions here this coordinate, in this coordinate only sin and cosec are positive, rest are negative, and sin 90 plus theta 90 degree में on adding or subtracting तो sin का किस में कन्वर्ट होगा, cos में, cos थीटा, cos का किस में होगा, sin थीटा, tan का जो है cot थीटा, cot का tan थीटा, and sec का cosec थीटा, and cosec के sec। इससे चेंज वाले के sin जो है 90 प्लस थीटा 90 डिग्री प्लस थीटा, first this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, and second quadrant only sin and cosec positive, sin and cosec positive, यह पॉजिटिव है, यह पॉजिटिव, रेस्ट आर नेगेटिव, रेस्ट आर नेगेटिव, sin 90 plus theta equal to cos theta, but cos 90 plus theta equal to cos 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos 90 plus theta. Now in the similar sense, sin 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, sec 180 minus theta, cosec 180 degree minus theta. And also in positive sense, sin 180 degree plus theta, cos 180 degree plus theta, tan 180 degree plus theta, cot 180 degree plus theta, sec 180 degree plus theta, cosec 180 degree plus theta. Now we have two main parts of case third and case second. With the help of case second, we change the sign, we check the sign, and with the help of this, now sin 180 minus theta, here only 90 degree, so that sin cos tan cot sec cosec no change. This is sin x 180 degree minus theta, this is a sin theta. But sin plus or minus change with the help of this comes here 90 degree, here 180 degree, but minus theta है तो due to minus we return in this coordinate, so that in this coordinate only sin and cosec are positive. Sin this is a positive and cosec this is positive, and cosec theta, and sin cos means no change due to 180 subtracting 180, yeah, added 180, so that this only sin and cosec positive, so that this is sin theta, this is minus cos theta, this is also minus tan theta, this is also minus cot theta, this is also minus sec theta, this is plus cosec theta. But in this case, sin 180 degree plus 0 to 90 degree, 180 degree plus this quadrant in third quadrant, third quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. So these angles exist in the third quadrant. All sine tan, only tan and cot are positive. All sine tan cos tan is positive, and sine के sign no change because only change in adding or subtracting from the 90 degree, so that sine this is equal to sine theta, this is equal to cos theta, this is equal to tan theta, this is equal to cot theta, this is equal to sec theta, and this is equal to cosec theta. But sign changes with the help of this, These exist in the third quadrant. Tan and cot positive, tan positive and cot positive, rest are negative. So with the help of this, we calculate the formula sin 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, and this. Now we see that such type of problem, sin minus theta, it means that this is our quadrant, this is our initial positions, and that is anti-clockwise, and that is clockwise. Here positive theta, here negative direction, so that here sin minus theta, that is sin cos tan only change to subtract in 90 degree or added in the 90 degree. Here sin is sin also, but this comes here in the first quadrant, second, third and fourth, so that this comes here negative direction and fourth quadrant, all sin tan and cos, all sin tan or cos का उल्टा both are positive, cos positive यानी cos theta and cos का उल्टा sec theta, rest are negative, sec का sec, cos का cos, minus sin theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta, minus cosec theta. Because minus theta occurs in fourth quadrant, and all sin tan cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. Similar sense, in this case, we move from sin 360 degree. We move just like here 90 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, and minus return here, minus and here back here. 360 degree, move 360 and back, so that it also lies in the fourth quadrant. Similar sense, all sin tan cos is the positive, cos theta and sec theta, rest are negative, minus sin theta, minus tan theta, minus cot theta, and minus cosec theta. But in this case, In this case, we come here 270, 360, and here that is 360 degree plus theta. Now, first quadrant, and in the first quadrant, all are positive, so that this is sin theta, this is cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. And with the help of this, we calculate this, and now with the help we calculate another part. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the value of sin, cos, tan, table, short methods. Please try at home to form these formulas. Thank you. Now, like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.